Do you want to create YouTube videos but you don't know what to talk about? You don't need to worry, because in this video I'm about to share with you 5 easy ways for you to find ideas for your YouTube videos. If you follow this method, you're never going to run out of content ideas for your YouTube channel. The first thing is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you to have content ideas for your YouTube channel. Yes. For example, in my YouTube channel about hair growth, yes, I use ChatGPT a lot. You can go to ChatGPT and just type, ask ChatGPT to provide a 30-day content calendar for your YouTube channel. Then you give the description of your YouTube channel, the goal of your YouTube channel. It may be a motivational channel, or it may be a channel about cooking, how to cook. ChatGPT will go ahead to provide 30 different video ideas for each day for 30 days for your channel. And if you use, I guarantee, if you use ChatGPT this way, you're never going to run out of ideas for your YouTube channel. So when ChatGPT gives you these video ideas, you can go ahead to do small corrections on it and add your own personal style to it. So I use ChatGPT a lot on my other YouTube channel, which is on hair growth. I'll link that channel in the description so you can go look at that channel. I asked ChatGPT for video ideas and ChatGPT does give me. ChatGPT can write a script for each video that you want to film, and even give you the description for that video, the keywords and the tags. So if you want me to do a separate video on this, on how I use ChatGPT to give me content ideas, to give me to provide scripts, video descriptions, and keywords and tags, just write in the comment section ChatGPT or AI, and I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT, or even another AI tool that I use a lot is Gemini. So if you want me to do a tutorial on that, then that will be a separate video. Just write that in the comment section and I'll do you a favor of creating this video showing you step by step how I use ChatGPT or Gemini for this. So that is the first thing you do if you want content ideas for your YouTube channel. If you use ChatGPT this way, you'll never run out of content ideas. But then there is another tool you can use. This is YouTube itself. Yes, the YouTube search bar. When you go into YouTube, there is this search bar where you go to search for things. Just use that very part of YouTube to search for ideas for your YouTube channel. You can just write keywords for your channel. For example, if it is on growing vegetables, just write growing vegetables. As you write this keyword, YouTube is going to produce a series of suggestions. These keyword suggestions are gold. I'm telling you, they are gold, because these are the searches, the keywords that people search on YouTube every day. So if you look at these keywords, then you produce videos on these keywords that YouTube provides for you, your videos are going to be searchable. People are going to watch your videos because it is these keywords that people are looking for. So that can also be a great. So the next thing to do is to engage with your audience. So if you have, this is for those who already have a YouTube channel, they already have some videos on their channels and there are people watching these videos. Sometimes your viewers may ask questions in the comment section. Don't neglect these questions. These are ideas for your next videos. Take them serious. You create videos on these questions that your viewers are asking. If you don't have an audience, you don't need to worry. Just look at what others in your niche, what they are creating. You need to have at least 2 or 3 different YouTubers that you love watching their content, that you want to create content around this particular niche, then if you find their videos interesting, just go ahead to look at their channel. What are the videos that they produce? Then from these videos you can get ideas to create your own YouTube videos. But what I would advise you to do is not to copy word for word what they are saying in their videos. You can recreate these videos, but use your own particular style so that it looks more of you. It becomes your video and not their video that you just copy and paste in your channel. So this is another means you can use to have ideas for your YouTube videos. Then the fourth thing is to recreate videos that did well on your channel. So as you keep creating content, you'll find out that there are some videos that you create that did very well. So what you can do is, when you are short of ideas, go back to your old videos, look at the ones that did well, where your viewers made a lot of comments, they appreciated that video. You can do like a part 2 of that particular topic, or you can recreate the same video but expand the ideas. There are some things you didn't say in that one video that you are going to say now in this new video, and that will be very easy for you. You will not need to do a lot of research. You already have the material. You just need to modify it or add what you didn't add to it, or even update. Yes, you do an update of the information that is in that video. And I see a lot of YouTubers who do that, guys. You don't need to worry about that. If you see these content creators who have been on YouTube for the past 5-10 years, most of them, they do recreate their older videos, and these videos are still getting views because the audience loves this topic. So if you recreate your older videos, you are not doing yourself any harm. Instead, you are helping your viewers because they love this topic. Now what you do is that you will not recreate exactly the same thing. You have to add a little bit of juice to it, or if there were some elements that you omitted, you now add in this new video, and it will be like a new topic to your audience. If you're finding value, please, if you are finding value in these tips I'm giving you, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now the last thing that I want to say is that if you want to have ideas for your YouTube channel, then you can do so by brainstorming. Yes, you need to have, as a content creator, a notebook where you jot down video ideas that come to your mind. Yeah, if that's why I encourage you to choose a niche or a topic for your channel, something that you are passionate about. When you build your channel around something you're passionate about, you easily have ideas for your YouTube videos. Why? Because as you sleep, you dream, you think about this thing because you love it. During the day, you think about this thing. So the video ideas will be coming naturally. What you need to do is to write them down, because if you don't write, you are going to forget, and then you will start searching when you want to create a video for ideas, whereas you had a lot of ideas during the day. So before going to bed, if you are thinking about a video idea, just note it in your notebook. You can also use your phone to write down notes for your YouTube ideas for your YouTube channel. So use your phone, use a notebook. If you are not used to taking down notes in your phone, then use a notebook. You need to have it to carry it everywhere you go, because during the day you may, while walking, just have an idea for a YouTube video and write that topic down. Maybe while watching TV, or while scrolling through other social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram or any other platform, you may watch a video and it inspires you, gives you an idea of a video topic that you could create. So as a content creator, you need to have a notebook for video ideas. So just write down these ideas as they come, and you're going to see that your book will be filling up gradually, and you will never run out of ideas for your YouTube channel. So guys, let me end this video here. If you found these tips valuable, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the valuable tips I'll be sharing in the days ahead. Thanks so much for watching once more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.